In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Instagram story from close friends to everyone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Now I'm gonna quickly create a story. I'm just gonna take a picture of my keyboard and then let's say I'm gonna share it with my close friends. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here. As you can see, I've just shared a story with my close friends. And now let's say I wanna share it with my followers. To do that, we need to tap at our story and then hit right here at more. After that, we need to get into story settings, and that's where we can easily find our close friends list, which now includes 5 people. We can easily get into it to change this list of users, and here down below we can see a list of people we interact with most often on Instagram, and we can easily select those users whom you would like to share this story with. You can one by one just select them here. Also, you can hit at clear all and then select all button should appear. However, in my case, it is not. I suppose it is because I got not too many persons here. However, if you got a lot of followers, you will find here a button or a link which says select all, and then you will be able to hit on it to select all these users at once. And now to share this story with all the selected users, we need just to hit at done. However, guys, if you have a lot of followers, you won't be able to add all of them because this list is suggested list is limited to 100 people. And then if you wanna, in this case, change your story privacy settings from close friends to everyone, so then the easiest way for you and the only actually way for you to do so is remove current story. Before doing that, we can hit more, then hit save, then hit save photo or save story. That will save the exact same picture to your camera roll. After that, we need to hit add more, then delete story, delete again. Then I'm gonna tap right here, select my picture from a camera roll, here it is. And then all we have to do is just hit add your story to share it with all your followers. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.